Hey there! Welcome to our video on AI and machine learning. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of these technologies and learning about what they can do. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. This can include things like understanding natural language, recognizing images, and making decisions. Machine learning is a specific type of AI that allows machines to learn from experience and improve over time. This is done by training algorithms on data, so that the machine can make predictions or take actions without being explicitly programmed to do so. So, in short, AI is the broader concept of machines mimicking human intelligence, while machine learning is a specific subset of AI that allows machines to learn and improve on their own. How they're being used today in a variety of industries. From healthcare to finance and transportation to retail, these technologies are making a big impact. Just to give you a few examples, machine learning is helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses, AI is optimizing logistics and supply chain management, and machine learning is even personalizing our online shopping experiences. It's pretty amazing stuff. But what about the future? Well, as these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for them. Some experts predict that AI will play a bigger role in our daily lives, from helping us with simple tasks like scheduling and cooking, to more advanced applications like self-driving cars and intelligent robots. It's definitely an exciting time for AI and machine learning. However, it's important to remember that there are also some challenges and ethical considerations that come with these technologies. For example, there are concerns about the impact of automation on jobs and the potential for AI to be used in harmful ways. It's important to address these challenges and have open and honest discussions about the implications of these technologies. In conclusion, AI and machine learning are powerful technologies that have the potential to transform many industries and improve our lives in a variety of ways. While there are challenges to be addressed, the future looks bright for these technologies, and we're excited to see all the amazing developments to come. One thing that's crucial to the advancement of AI and machine learning is the availability of high-quality data. Machine learning algorithms need large amounts of data in order to learn and improve, and the more data they have access to, the better they can perform. This is why companies and organizations are investing heavily in data collection and management, as well as in the development of new technologies for processing and analyzing data. It's kind of like giving a student the right study materials to pass an exam. The more and better data we give to machines, the better they learn and perform. Another important factor in the advancement of AI and machine learning is the growing use of cloud computing. Cloud computing allows organizations to easily access large amounts of computing power and storage, which is essential for running machine learning algorithms. This means that businesses and researchers can quickly and easily experiment with new AI and machine learning models, without the need for expensive and complex infrastructure. It's like having a powerful computer that you can access from anywhere and at any time. And, of course, AI and machine learning are already having a major impact on businesses of all sizes and across all industries. Companies are using these technologies to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve customer service. For example, by using AI-powered chatbots, companies can provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries, and by using machine learning to analyze data, businesses can gain valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. It's like having a virtual employee who never takes a break and is always available. Finally, AI and machine learning have the potential to have a significant impact on society as a whole. These technologies can be used to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change, healthcare, and poverty. By using AI and machine learning to analyze large amounts of data, researchers can gain new insights into these problems and develop more effective solutions. It's like having a powerful tool to solve some of the world's most difficult problems. AI and machine learning are powerful technologies that are already changing the way we live and work, and they will continue to do so in the future. We've talked about the importance of data and the role of cloud computing, and how they shape the future of these technologies, as well as the impact they have on businesses and society. With responsible development and use, AI and machine learning have the potential to bring about a lot of positive change in the world. But, as AI and machine learning become more prevalent in our lives, it's crucial that we have a way to understand how these systems are making decisions. This is where explainable AI comes in. Explainable AI refers to the ability to understand and interpret the decision-making processes of an AI system, making it possible to detect and correct errors and biases. It's like being able to look under the hood of a car and figure out what's wrong. Explainable AI is critical for building trust in AI systems and ensuring that they are being used in an ethical and transparent manner. And, as these technologies continue to evolve, there's also a growing need for governance and regulation to ensure that they are being developed and used in a responsible and ethical way. This can include things like creating guidelines for the development of AI systems, ensuring that data is being used ethically, and ensuring that AI systems are being used in a way that is transparent and accountable. It's like having traffic laws that ensure everyone is driving safely. Lastly, as the use of AI and machine learning continues to grow, there's an increasing need for professionals with the skills to work with these technologies. This includes roles such as data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI researchers, as well as more general roles like software engineers and developers who need to understand how to integrate AI into their work. Investing in education and training to develop these skills will be essential to ensure that the benefits of AI and machine learning are widely accessible. It's like having the right tools and knowledge to fix a car. In conclusion, AI and machine learning are powerful technologies that are already impacting all aspects of our lives and will continue to do so in the future. The importance of diversity and inclusion, the impact on the job market, and the need for collaboration are just some of the important aspects that need to be considered as these technologies continue to evolve. With responsible development and use, AI and machine learning have the potential to bring about a lot of positive change in the world, but it's essential that we consider the ethical and societal implications of these technologies and work together to ensure that they are being used for the benefit of all. That's it for today's video on AI and machine learning. We hope you found it informative and engaging. We discussed the basics of these technologies, how they're being used today, and what the future of AI and machine learning might look like. We also highlighted some of the key considerations such as the importance of data, cloud computing, explainable AI, AI governance, AI skills, diversity and inclusion, the impact on the job market and the importance of collaboration. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing from you.